My name is Olivier Morin and I lead the Minds and Traditions Research Group at the Max Planck Institute for the Science of Human History here in Jena in Germany. Well, our usual approach in cognitive science and cultural evolution would be to use an experiment, bring people into the lab and ask them to play a communication game in a required amount of time with very specific instructions, and the tasks are usually not very fun. The problem with this approach is this is not exactly how language works. With the color game, you can talk to anyone at any time for any length of time. You can play for a minute if you want, or you can lose yourself into the game for hours if you like. There is no instruction, there is no time limit, and it doesn't feel like a test or a task or an experiment. It really feels the way natural communication feels. That's what we want to approach with this game. We want to approximate the real conditions of human communication that we can't get at in the lab.
My name is Stéphanie Morisseau. I'm a postdoc researcher and I work in collaboration with the Minds and Tradition Research Group here at the Max Planck Institute. So the color game was actually designed to create a new language made of new symbols that will evolve and that we can study. The idea behind this is that we want to test hypotheses and to answer new questions about how communications evolves.
We're aiming to simulate the birth and evolution of a small language, a language without words, made of symbols that people can use to talk about colors.
So this is the homepage of the game. This shows you the list of other players available to play the game with you. And let's say I want to create a new puzzle for other players. So I just have to click there. You see, this one is the color that I have to make other people guess. So to do that, I will pick one or more symbols that will appear here and create a new puzzle. And the goal of the other players who will play as receivers is to guess among those colors which one is the one I want them to guess.
The app is not a puzzle game. It's not about decoding symbols. It's not about figuring out cues. The only code that has to be broken is the language that you and the other players will build.